I am Anil Kumar, and here is solution of question number 6 from the practice questions. Determine derivative of f of x equals to 1 over square root of x minus 2 at x equals to 3. So what we'll do here is we'll find the value of the function at 3. So what is f of 3 for us? F of 3 is equals to 1 over square root of 3 minus 2, which is 1 over square root of 1, or 1. So f of 3 is 1 for us. Let us also find what is f of 3 plus h. So f of 3 plus h will be 1 over square root of 3 plus h minus 2. And that is equals to 1 over 3 minus 2 is 1. We can say square root of 1 plus h. So that is f of 3 plus h. Now derivative at 3 could be written as f dash 3 equals to limit h approaches 0 f of 3 plus h minus f of 3 over h. Now we have already calculated f of 3 plus h and f of 3. Let's substitute them. So we get limit h approaches 0. F of 3 plus h is 1 over 1 plus h square root minus 1 over h. So I hope now you appreciate why we found these values earlier. It becomes much simpler. Now we can write this as limit h approaches 0, cross multiply 1 minus square root of 1 plus h divided by square root of 1 plus h, and we already have h here. To solve such expression, we need to rationalize, correct? So let's rationalize this. We have 1 minus square root of 1 plus h over h times square root of 1 plus h. To rationalize, we'll multiply and divide by the conjugate, which is 1 plus square root of 1 plus h, right? So when you do that, you get difference of squares in the numerator. So that leaves us with 1 square, which is 1, minus square root of 1 plus h whole square, which is 1 plus h. Always put it in brackets, otherwise you might make a mistake. And here we have h times square root of 1 plus h within brackets 1 plus square root of 1 plus h. Now the numerator, when you open the brackets, 1 minus 1 is 0, you're left with minus h divided by h times square root of 1 plus h times 1 plus square root of 1 plus h, right? Now h and h are common factors in numerator and denominator, which should be cancelled. Once you cancel, you can substitute h equals to 0. So now you get minus 1 over, when you substitute 0 here, square root of 1 times 1 plus square root of 1, and that is indeed equals to square root of 1 is 1, right? So we get 1 times 1 plus 1, that is 2, so minus half. So what we find is that f dash x at x equals to 3 is minus half. So we can write our answer, that is f dash 3 is equals to minus half. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. Go through them once again. They're not very difficult. Practice and then move on to the next set of questions. Try to find the derivative of these functions at a general point. So the question for you is that find at x equals to a, right? Find an expression, and then you may find domain range of your derivative. So that could be the question for you. So let me add a question for you here. Find domain and range of f dash x, right? So that is an excellent question which you can try now and then move ahead to the next set of questions. Thank you and all the best.